Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking to treat that special someone in your life with a brand new, beautiful wallet, you cannot go wrong with this leather one from Calgari. I got this as a gift for my husband, and at first he wasn't sure if he would like it because it's a little bit thicker than the type of wallet he's used to using. But as soon as he started actually using it in day-to-day life, he realized how much he loved it. This has so many different slots and pockets, and one of the things he especially liked about it is that even though it doesn't have a change holder, he can put change in one of the extra billfold areas, and that works absolutely perfectly for him. We love the feel of this leather. It's on the rustic side, and what's really nice about it is if you bump or scratch it, you can smooth it out with your finger, or you can just leave it there for an even more rugged look. We got the Wild Buffalo Hunter color, and it's a really dark, rich chocolate brown, and it is just stunning. This is made in Italy and comes in a really beautiful gift box, so it is ready to go if you want to give it to someone. We really like it, and that's our point of view.